Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in YouTube marketing we'll discuss about the on-site and off-site optimization. Like we do search engine optimization for the websites, for the blogs, for the landing pages, we also need to do some on-page optimization and off-page optimization for the YouTube channel and the videos that you are posting. What are those techniques? Some of them is something that we'll check it out today. The on-site, what we need to do, it means on YouTube, the keywords play a very important role. As usual, the keywords are very important. Do not stuff keywords, those days are gone. Use long tail keyword and do some research on the niche and the domain that you are associated with it. And of course, the competitor analysis. Do what kind of videos the competitors have, where they have posted, what is the length of the video, what is the title, the description they have given, what is the name of the playlist. These are very important factors. So do a lot of keyword research and have the keywords in the title, in the description and in the tags, and make sure that you have identified the rich keywords. The metadata, again, the title, the description play a very important role. Have relevant keywords associated with the YouTube video in the title and in the description. The video description plays a very important role. Describe the video with rich keywords so that you can identify, people can identify easily and naturally what this video is all about. Then tagging, again, tag with rich keywords. The more you tag with rich keywords, the more the visibility and more it helps. And these are some of the on-site optimization, the technique that you can use and implement. In terms of off-site technique that you can implement, multi-channel integration. When you have a video on YouTube, make sure that it is posted across multiple channels, including Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, StumbleUpon, Dig, Instagram, on the website, the blog, the landing pages. It should be everywhere. And embed links. Have the right kind of title, keyword and description in the meta tags on the website, on the landing pages and the blog, and make sure that you have the appropriate links linked to the YouTube video, and have these links in place. Make sure that you do this multi-channel integration and promotion. Content marketing, again, is very big. For me, SEO is all about content marketing. The more you do content marketing, the more you write about it, the more you provide a solution to a problem, the more the visibility. That is how it works. Write high quality contents and publish everywhere around surrounding your YouTube videos. The more the content, the more the promotion. Leverage social media. Again, social media is huge. People are immensely connected with the YouTube, with the social media channels everywhere, and videos are everywhere. The mobile penetration, these are actually culminating into driving more and more traffic as far as videos are concerned. This is a huge area that everybody must explore. Then again, email marketing. Like we said, you have a YouTube video is available on YouTube, you have it on social media, you have it on website, you have it on blog, you have it on landing page. Now you can also have the email marketing campaign launched to reach across to your subscribers all around the world with a link of your YouTube video. Email marketing plays a very significant role in driving traffic. So these are some of the off-site optimization techniques that you can implement. And what are some of the best practices you can think of implementing? All on-page and off-page optimization techniques. Of course, create quality content and promote. The content marketing is extremely important. Leverage social media platforms. Post high quality content surrounding your videos right now. Analytics for continuous improvement. When you do this, find out, track, analyze, report and take informed decisions through analytics. You need to know who are the people watching the video, where they are coming from, how much the video is being tracked, how much people have clicked on the link, they have come to the website, what is the conversion rate, bounce rate, everything is something that you need to track, report, analyze, so that you can take informed decisions for continuous improvement in future. So these are some of the best practices you can implement as far as your YouTube marketing is concerned. And the techniques that we have seen in this video is on-site optimization, off-site optimization, and some of the best practices. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.